Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best rolling walker for the elderly, the HOMLAND Foldable Rollator Walker with Seat. Designed with both durability and comfort in mind, this rollator offers an excellent combination of features that make mobility easier and safer for seniors. First, let's talk about its build. The frame is made from reinforced carbon steel with thickened tubing and double support bars, providing outstanding strength and stability. This walker can support up to 350 pounds, making it a reliable choice for a wide range of users. Despite its sturdy construction, it remains surprisingly lightweight at just over 20 pounds, striking a balance between portability and durability. Comfort is a priority with this model. The seat height and handle heights are fully adjustable, accommodating users from 4 feet 7 inches to 6 feet 6 inches tall. The seat itself is wide and padded with memory foam, ensuring a comfortable resting place during breaks. There's also a breathable backrest that adds extra support and safety while seated. Safety features are comprehensive and thoughtfully designed. The braking system has 3 modes: free, deceleration, and stop, giving users precise control over their speed and movement. The folding points are fully enclosed to prevent any accidental pinching, which is especially important for users with limited hand strength. Ergonomic hand grips are soft to reduce fatigue, enhancing the overall ease of use. Additionally, multi-reflective strips are added to increase visibility during nighttime or low-light conditions, further enhancing safety. When it comes to mobility, this rollator excels with its 8-inch puncture-proof PVC wheels. These wheels are designed to glide smoothly over various terrains, whether indoors or outdoors, making it a versatile walker for parks, sidewalks, or even carpeted floors. The rollator's design allows it to maneuver easily, providing users with confidence wherever they go. Another key feature is its foldability. The quick fold design makes it easy to collapse the walker for transport or storage, perfect for users who are on the go or need to store it in a compact space. At just over 20 pounds, it is manageable enough to lift into a car trunk or carry short distances when folded. The HOMLAND Foldable Rollator Walker also comes with excellent support from the brand. A lifetime warranty on the metal frame and a 1-year warranty on the non-metal parts provide peace of mind. The company also offers user manuals and installation videos, along with US-based customer service to assist whenever needed. In summary, this rollator walker combines strength, comfort, and safety with smart design choices that cater to seniors' mobility needs. Its adjustable features, sturdy construction, and easy maneuverability make it a standout option for anyone seeking a reliable walking aid. Whether you need a walker for daily errands, leisurely strolls, or just around the house, the HOMLAND Foldable Rollator is a top contender. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth product insights.